Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to channel for detailed and honest reviews on all things automotive. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary to discuss, the 2025 BMW Motorhome. BMW is a name that's synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation, and they've carried all those qualities into the world of motorhomes with this exciting new release. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the open road in a vehicle that combines BMW's legendary driving experience with the comfort and practicality of a motorhome, the 2025 BMW Motorhome is exactly what you've been waiting for. In this review, we'll be exploring every aspect of this remarkable vehicle, from its design and performance to its interior features and technology. Let's dive right in. When it comes to design, the 2025 BMW Motorhome doesn't disappoint. As soon as you lay eyes on it, you can tell this is not your average motorhome. BMW has blended their sleek, modern aesthetic with the functionality needed for a vehicle of this type. The motorhome features the signature kidney grills at the front, sharp body lines, and a low, athletic stance that you would expect from any BMW vehicle. The overall design is bold yet refined, with an emphasis on aerodynamics, which not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal but also contributes to its efficiency on the road. It's clear that BMW has put a great deal of thought into the exterior design, creating a vehicle that is both functional and striking. The 2025 BMW Motorhome is built on the same chassis as BMW's renowned luxury SUV lineup, combining the best of both worlds, ruggedness for adventure and elegance for comfort. The body is made of lightweight but durable materials, ensuring that the motorhome is easy to maneuver while still being strong enough to handle various road conditions. This is particularly important for those looking to take their motorhome on more off-the-beaten-path adventures, as the BMW Motorhome is capable of handling diverse terrains with ease. Step inside the motorhome, and you're immediately greeted by the luxury and craftsmanship that BMW is known for. The interior is an absolute showstopper, with premium materials and attention to detail throughout. You'll find leather upholstery, high-quality wood accents, and stainless steel finishes that exude elegance. The cabin is spacious, designed to make the most of the available space while maintaining a sense of openness and light. It's clear that every element inside the 2025 BMW Motorhome has been thoughtfully designed to create a truly luxurious living experience on the road. One of the standout features of the interior is the attention to comfort. Whether you're driving or relaxing inside, BMW has made sure that every seat is designed with ergonomics in mind. The driver's seat offers a full range of adjustments, ensuring that you can find the perfect driving position, even on long trips. The passenger seats are equally comfortable, and the layout allows for easy interaction between the driver and passengers, which is great for road trips where socializing is a big part of the experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the living area. The 2025 BMW Motorhome boasts a spacious lounge area that's perfect for unwinding after a day of travel. The seating is plush and comfortable, with reclining chairs and a large, adjustable table in the center. There's also a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, so you can enjoy your favorite shows or movies while relaxing. The lighting is customizable, allowing you to create the perfect atmosphere, whether you want bright, energizing lights or a more relaxed, ambient setting. The kitchen in the 2025 BMW Motorhome is another highlight. This is not your typical tiny, cramped kitchen you might find in some motorhomes. Instead, BMW has created a fully equipped kitchen that feels just like something you'd find in a high-end apartment. The countertops are made of durable, easy-to-clean material, and the kitchen is outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances. There's a full-sized stove, a microwave, a large refrigerator, and even a wine cooler, so you can prepare gourmet meals on the go. For those who enjoy cooking, the kitchen in this motorhome will feel like a true luxury, offering all the tools and space you need to create whatever dish you desire. Next, we move to the sleeping area, which is equally impressive. The 2025 BMW Motorhome offers a range of layouts, but most configurations include a spacious king-sized bed that's incredibly comfortable. The mattress is high-quality memory foam, providing support and comfort for a great night's sleep. The bedding is luxurious, and the room is equipped with blackout shades to ensure you can rest without any disturbances. There's also ample storage space in the form of built-in wardrobes and drawers, ensuring you can bring everything you need for an extended stay on the road. The bathroom in the 2025 BMW Motorhome is a true luxury feature. Unlike most motorhomes, which offer cramped, utilitarian bathrooms, BMW has created a spacious and stylish bathroom that feels more like a high-end hotel suite. The shower is large, with rainfall showerheads and plenty of space to move around. The vanity area is sleek and functional, with modern fixtures, a spacious mirror, and plenty of storage for toiletries. The overall design of the bathroom is minimalist but elegant, with high-end finishes and a clean, modern look. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The 2025 BMW Motorhome is built on the same chassis as BM's X7 and X5 SUVs, so it's no surprise that it offers a driving experience that's more akin to a luxury vehicle than a traditional motorhome. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides plenty of power, with 400 horsepower, allowing you to cruise down highways and mountain roads with ease. The motorhome also comes with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring that you can tackle a variety of road conditions without breaking a sweat. The driving dynamics of the BMW Motorhome are truly exceptional. Despite its size, it handles remarkably well, with responsive steering and a smooth, comfortable ride. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to provide excellent comfort on long drives, and the vehicle's stability control ensures that it remains secure even when navigating tight turns or uneven surfaces. Whether you're driving through a city or hitting the open road, the 2025 BMW Motorhome offers a driving experience that's second to none. As for technology, the 2025 BMW Motorhome comes equipped with all the latest and greatest features. It features BMW's iDrive infotainment system, which is controlled via a touchscreen, rotary dial, or voice commands. You can access navigation, entertainment, and climate control settings with ease, all while keeping your focus on the road. The motorhome also comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These systems work together to provide an added layer of safety, making driving this motorhome an even more enjoyable experience. Safety is, of course, a top priority for BMW, and the 2025 motorhome is equipped with a full range of safety features, including multiple airbags, stability control, and a reinforced chassis to ensure your protection on the road. Additionally, the motorhome includes BMW's emergency braking system, which helps prevent collisions by automatically applying the brakes if a potential collision is detected. So, what's the price tag for all this luxury and performance? The 2025 BMW Motorhome starts at around $200,000, which places it at the higher end of the motorhome market. However, for those who want the best of the best in terms of luxury, performance, and technology, this motorhome is a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW Motorhome is a groundbreaking vehicle that takes the idea of luxury travel to a whole new level. With its stunning design, premium interior, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional driving experience, it offers everything you could want in a motorhome, and more. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, the 2025 BMW Motorhome ensures that you travel in style, comfort, and safety. If you're in the market for a motorhome that delivers the ultimate in luxury and performance, this is definitely a vehicle worth considering. Thanks for watching today's review on Car Reviewpedia. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, happy travels.